Fidgett here. I am back in the laundry. Why does this always happen? As soon as I try to talk, I get all scratchy. I must be nervous or something. I don't know. Could I be? I don't know. Yeah, I am. I'm naturally nervous all the time. Anxiety. It rules my life. Yes, it does. That and coffee. I wonder if there's a relationship between that. Whatever.
Don't be dumb no more with the Irregular. Mr. Fidgett.
So after a while, I bit the bullet and I decided to get help. So I went to this place called Capritta's because I had to order a bolt for the agitator because it was bad. So I waited for the bolt to come in and it came in and I just didn't go pick it up for a long time because I was thwarted in my attempts to fix the washing machine. This was a problem right here. This was frozen onto the spindle. So then I went back to Capritta's. I said, how about if I take the washing machine all apart and then all you have to do is come and get this shroud off so I can get underneath the tub and replace the bearing. And they said, yeah, sure, we can do that. They said, it'd probably be like $100. I said, that's great. We set up an appointment, and then the day of the appointment, I get a phone call, and it's from the repairman. Calls and he says, you know, this thing that you want done, it's gonna cost about $500. I was like, what? $500? That's ridiculous. Actually, it was nice that he called me because you can get a new washer for almost $500. So he said, I'll call you back. And I talked to the people at the store and they said, what exactly do you want done? I said, I was going to take it all apart and then I just wanted to get this thing off because it's kind of stuck on there. And they said, we can't do that. We have to start from the beginning. We have to take it all apart ourselves in case there's a problem. It's like, well, geez, it's like Lucy pulling the football away from Charlie Brown. We were so close. I thought it was going to happen. So anyway, I said, forget it. The ball was back in my court. Okay, there's just got to be a way to do it. And then I came up with a way.
Show starts in 8 minutes. Yum, yum. It's time for a tasty and refreshing snack. And now, on with the show.
I use these 3 adjustable clamps to pull the trunnion off the shaft because it was frozen on there. Because it had been on there a long time and it gets soap and rust and it was holding it and it wouldn't let go. I got the trunnion off using these 3 clamps and a 5-pound weight from dumbbells. You know, it was adjusted a little bit at a time, just a little bit at a time. Took about an hour, but it finally came up. And that's when I noticed I cracked it. Probably because I was hitting it with a big hammer. And as my dad used to say, if it's not working, get a bigger hammer. So I got a bigger hammer, but then I broke it. So I had to order one. I had to wait a couple more days. Everyone was very patient with me. Put it back on, put it all together. I fixed it. I had help from a lot of stuff online.
Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember,
from these guys. You can find what you need and you can fix it if you have the tools. It's always the tools. That's always the problem. It's having the right tools. And wouldn't you know it, as soon as I fixed it, the dryer started squealing. I had to fix the dryer. And that's what we'll do in our next exciting episode, the conclusion of trying.